Hello, good afternoon, Karen. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Karen Valerie, age of 31 years old, married. I have one daughter named Casey Valerie, age of 12 years old. I'm graduate at college PSIT Information Technology. I have 2 years finished contract at Middle East Kuwait.
Okay, what are your duties with your past employers?
My duties to my past employer is to cook and clean and take care of the babies.
Okay. So how do you handle taking care of the 3 kids, and what are the important things that you need to do?
The important things to take care of the babies is to see when they play and teach them how to cook, and sometimes we need to play.
Okay. So you always play with the kids?
Yes.
So, are you also okay to share room with the kids or elderly? Share room? You have no own room. Are you okay with that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you prefer to have your own room?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
Yes, ma'am.
It's all okay to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you also promise us not to borrow money to your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any message with your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me, then I will do my best and stay and finish my contract. Then I promise that I do all the responsibility to care your kids and also to clean the house.